Hi, I'm Andrea, and the fastest way to a long-lasting and flawless lipstick finish is to apply your lipstick thoughtfully. You see, when we're in a rush and we apply it really quickly, we're not setting up that great base layer, which leads to lipstick wearing off unevenly or way too fast. So the goal is to work the color into the lips and not just on top. In order to do this, you have to slow down, and it's best if you can use a lip brush. I know you're thinking, eek, a lip brush, but trust me, they're awesome and they're super simple. I have a whole video if you're not sure how to use one or if you want to confirm you're doing it right. But in this video, I'm going to use an actual lipstick bullet to demonstrate. Step 1, set a quality base layer. That base layer is going to be super thin and worked in well. We are not trying to build color at this step, because if that base layer isn't worked in well, then no other layer on top of it will be either. So here's how. You're gonna pull your lips super taut, and then you're going to dot the lipstick or use a lip brush to fill in all those minute crevices on your top and bottom lip. Because when you just swipe your lipstick on, you're missing all of those teeny tiny creases, and that's one of a couple of reasons as to why your lipstick is wearing off unevenly in the first place. Step 2, find the actual boundary of your lip line and then use the lipstick to define those edges. So many of us, when we're in a hurry and we're using a lipstick that is not brand new and pointy, miss the actual outline of our lips, which makes our lips appear smaller and makes us look older. So actually defining the edges of your lips is a crucial step in a flawless finish and to helping you look your best. Another reason I love a lip brush is it helps me perfectly define my lip line. Step 3, build the intensity slowly and intentionally. The next few layers of lipstick are where you're really going to start building the color. Do this by dotting or swiping down in the direction of your lip lines. I usually like to take my color a step or two past where I actually want it, and then blotting will knock it right back to where I want it to be. And you can go watch that blotting video after this to make sure you're doing that properly. For me, lipstick is that final step that makes me feel ready for the day. And when I know that it's flawless and it's going to wear off evenly, that makes me even more confident and ready to smile even bigger. I hope it does the same for you.